Question number 8. According to your book, expand -2 curl bracket 3a minus 4 square bracket start a minus brackets 2 plus a, all brackets are closed. Students, in this question, firstly we will solve the innermost bracket. In this statement, the innermost bracket is this one, that is called brackets, simple brackets, and then after this bracket, the innermost bracket will be this square bracket, and then this curly brackets. Okay, first of all we will solve these brackets. Okay, and we also call it braces. So solution, first of all we will write this statement as it is, then we will solve, or you can say that we will remove this bracket. Firstly we will remove innermost bracket, that is 2 plus a, as there is negative sign outside this bracket. So after removing this bracket, the signs of internal terms will be changed, just like this one. First of all we will write this statement as it is, then -2 curl bracket start 3a minus 4, and then square bracket, and then a, and then minus 2 and minus a, because minus after removing this bracket, this 2 will be changed into minus a 2, and this a will be changed into minus a. Okay, okay, in next step we will solve the another innermost bracket. Now the innermost bracket is this square bracket. So students, in this bracket we observe that there is a and minus a and minus a will be cancelled out, and the remaining answer is -2. So -2 as it is, curl bracket 3a minus 4, and then -2. So in next step, -4 multiplied by -2, it will be +8, and the square bracket will be removed. Okay, so +8, and curl bracket -2 as it is, curl brackets 3a plus 8, and curl brackets close. Okay, so in next step, for moving these curl brackets, we will multiply -2 by 3a and -2 by 8. So the answer is -6a minus 16. Got it? Okay, the next one is part B. 5 curl brackets 3c minus square bracket d minus 2 braces c plus d. Okay, and all brackets are closed. So first of all we will remove innermost bracket, that is the braces, and then we will remove, or we will solve square bracket, and then we will solve curl brackets. So solution, first of all we will write this statement as it is, then in next step 5 curl brackets minus 3c as it is, and square bracket d as it is. Okay, now for moving this bracket we will multiply -2 by c and d, just like this. -2 multiplied by c, it will be -2c, and -2 multiplied by d, it will be -2d. Okay, now we will solve this square bracket. Students, d and -2d are like terms, so we will solve it just like d minus 2d, it will be -d. So in next step, 5 curl brackets as it is, 3c minus and square bracket as it is. Okay, then -2c as it is, d minus 2d, it will be -d. Okay, okay, in next step we will solve this square bracket further, and we know minus sign is outside this square bracket, so the signs of internal terms will be changed after removing this bracket. Okay, after removing this bracket, not before. Okay, so 5 as it is, 3c as it is. Now we have to remove this square brackets, then we will change the signs of internal terms, that are -2c will be +2c, and -d will be +d. Okay, now 3c and 2c are like terms, so we can add up 3c plus 2c, it will be 5c, and d as it is. So now we will solve this curly brackets. 5 multiplied by 5c, it will be 25c, and 5 multiplied by d, it will be 5d. Got it? This is the answer. Thank you.